Exploring Volcanoes, a fiery adventure. Do you know what a volcano is? Volcanoes are like big mountains that can sometimes explode. They are special mountains because they can shoot out hot stuff like lava and ash. Inside a volcano, there is something called magma. Magma is super hot rock that is like a liquid. When a volcano erupts, the magma comes out and flows down the sides like a river of fire. Volcanoes can be found all around the world. Some are big, some are small, some are even under the sea. When they erupt, they can make loud noises and send ash and rocks high into the sky. But volcanoes aren't just about explosions, they also create new land. When lava cools down, it turns into rock. Over time, this rock builds up and makes new land. Scientists study volcanoes to learn more about them and to keep people safe. They use special tools to measure how active a volcano is and to predict when it might erupt. So, the next time you see a volcano on TV or in a book, remember that it's not just a mountain. It's a fiery adventure waiting to happen.